Where is, in Estonian.
Kus on?
Travel directions. Welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Ready to have fun and master one travel lifesaver? Hey you, traveler. Today we're locking in the compass phrase, where is. In Estonian, that's
Kus on?
powered by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language sidekick. For guides, printables, and more, hop to www.synapse-lingo.com. Your goal today. In the next few minutes, you'll own one question you'll use all the time. Your mission. Say and use.
Kus on?
To find anything, station, bathroom, entrance. Quick notes. Just.
Kus?
Means, where, while.
Mis on?
Means, what is. We want location, so stick with.
Kus on?
Pronunciation and rhythm. Say it with me on a clap beat, short, confident, friendly. Clap, clap.
Kus on?
Clap, clap, place. Feel the two-beat chant.
Kus?
Like, kus, but short.
On?
Like, own, without the W. Now, you, clap, clap.
Kus on?
Mini dialogue in Tallinn. Picture this. You just stepped off a bus in Tallinn. You, excuse me.
Kus on?
Quote. Local.
Otse edasi ja siis paremale.
Straight ahead, then right. You, thanks. Then you walk confidently like a movie hero who finally read the map. Drills. Plug in places. Now insert places. Speak after the pause and own it. Where is the station? Say.
Kus on jaam?
Where is the bathroom? Say.
Kus on tualet?
Where is the entrance? Say.
Kus on sissepääs?
Where is the map? Say.
Kus on kaart?
Reply you might hear.
See on seal.
It's there. Core word check.
Kus?
Equals where. Culture tip and humor. A smile plus a clear question gets golden directions. At the Tallinn Christmas market, ask vendors with a smile.
Kus on?
And you'll find the best glogi stall fast. Funny bonus. Even statues, help, here, ask a statue.
Kus on?
And it practically points. Pro tip. Don't mix up.
Kus?
Where, with.
Kus?
Hush. Quick quiz. Fast quiz, answer out loud. Q. How do you ask for a location in Estonian? A.
Kus on?
Q. Translate. Where is the bathroom? A.
Kus on tualet?
Q. Odd one out. Which does not ask location.
Kus on?
Or.
Mis on?
A.
Mis on?
What is? Q. Listening, you hear.
Kus on jaam?
What are they asking? A. Where is the station? Speed challenge. Ready for the boss level? Go fast and clear. Say in Estonian within 3 seconds, excuse me, where is the entrance?
Vabandust, kus on sissepääs?
Lightning bonus. Need any place? Keep the core.
Kus on?
Then add your word, like.
Tualet. Jaam.
Or.
Kaart.
Goodbye. You nailed it, high five. Today you mastered.
Kus on?
And plugged in real places like.
Jaam. Tualet. Sissepääs.
And.
Kaart.
Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing, ask locals boldly, and revisit this episode on your next walk. For more lessons and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Until next time, may your directions be clear and your feet blister-free.